Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic to your dropshipping store. And you don't have to use Instagram like everybody's telling you to. And the best thing about this method, guys, is it's long term. You can get traffic for months, even years, completely free without paying for it. And the best thing about free traffic, guys, is first of all, it's free and it's all profit. So whatever you sell is profit. You don't have to spend money on ads, but it's high converting. It converts a lot better than paid ads, and it's much more rewarding when you actually get it, and it can last for a super long time. So let's jump into my office, guys, and I'll show you exactly how you can get a bunch of free traffic to your dropshipping store right now. All right, guys, so what is this method I'm talking about on how to get free traffic? Now, I've been using this for a really long time, and I'm surprised that not many dropshippers are actually doing this method, and it's extremely profitable, and it works extremely well, and it's long-term traffic. So what I'm talking about in this video, guys, is leveraging traffic like people. So on Google, there are millions and billions of searches per day. In fact, look at this live counter. These are searches happening right now. It is going up just hundreds and thousands every second. Just today, there's been 4 billion searches, and I'm only halfway through the day. It's crazy how much traffic goes through Google, and we can leverage that. We can use those searches to sell our products for free. But there's a trick. You have to do it properly, because if you don't do it properly, it's not going to work for you. So what we're talking about, guys, is search engine optimization. Now, the problem with search engine optimization for e-commerce stores is everybody's doing it wrong. So when you have a product page, it's very hard to optimize that page for search engine optimization, because what you have to do is have really, really good content like articles and stuff. Now, this is an example of a description here. It's a horrible description. There is nothing there that's really, telling Google what this page is about. So I'm going to show you a secret trick that you can use to go and rank these product pages in Google and do extremely well, guys. So what we're going to do in this example, in this video, is we're going to use this product here, a portable blender, as our example, and I'm going to take you through and explain to you how this all works. But first, guys, let me show you an example of what we're actually going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about creating an article that has your products listed and they link to your actual product. So I'll explain that more in a second, but the most important thing about this method, guys, is the keywords. So you go and optimize these pages for specific keywords. So for example, guys, if we have this portable blender, which I recently just talked about before, these are some keywords that we could go and target. Best portable blender online, best portable blender in 2019. Find best portable blender, buy best portable blender, buy portable blender, top 5 portable blenders, top 10, top 3, top 11, top 12, top 80, top 100, whatever you want to do. Portable blender review, where to buy a portable blender. Guys, these are just a handful of examples. There are literally thousands, if not hundreds and thousands of keyword variations you could go for. Now, the longer the keyword, the easier it is it's going to be to rank for. For example, if you want to go try and rank for portable blender, it's probably never going to happen because it's very competitive. So how do you do this, guys? What do you do? How do you go and do this stuff? So you need to think about the person who is searching for stuff, right? So best portable blender to buy. Okay, we'll put that into Google right now. And you'll see there's all of these sites, guys, that have top 7 best personal blenders, 10 best personal blenders, best mini blender guide, 8 best portable blender for travel. You can actually create articles like this on your Shopify store. And you'll see, guys, if we go to this web page, it actually links to Amazon. So what we're doing is we're going to be replicating these Amazon affiliate stores. I used to do this a long time ago. I still actually do Amazon affiliate, but more ClickBank stuff now. But we're going to replicate these Amazon stores, these affiliate sites, and link to our own products in our store. And there's a big benefit to doing this. First of all, it ranks in Google, and it sends link juice from backlinks through your entire website, giving you more authority. And here's another example right here, guys. Now, it doesn't have to be flash. All we're trying to do is rank these products, this article in Google. But the most important thing is you need to have good content. That's why we create these articles. Because if you just go and try and rank the product page like this, you will literally never rank, ever. Because you're up against these articles that are in here and have lots of content on them, okay? And you don't have to be on the front page either to get free traffic. Just remember that. You can go and do heaps of articles and get little bits of traffic from each one, and you'll get sales. So how do you do this, guys? Let me just show you quickly, and then we'll go over kind of some more stuff before this video ends. There are lots of different portable blender variations in here, different shapes, sizes, colors. So let's just say we're going to go for 3 of these particular things. I'm just going to take a screenshot of a couple of these blenders because we're going to be using them. We'll do 2, okay, and we'll save this to my desktop. So what you want to do, guys, it's quite simple. I'm going to save this one as well. You want to go to your, this is just a demo Shopify store that I use for my course. You want to go to your Shopify store and you want to go to online store and blog post and go create a blog post. It's this simple. Okay, you don't need to do another website to do this. And you want to put in a title. So I'm going to put 2. Let's just have a look here actually. Let's go back here. What do we got? What kind of examples we got? It's best to go and search your keyword and look for some examples. So 2 best portable. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 best portable blenders for 2019 to buy. The reason I put to buy at the end is because people will be searching different variations. They'll be searching best portable blender to buy best portable blender, and Google can match and mix these words up so you don't have to put the exact keyword, okay? So I just put to buy at the end. That's a good idea to do that. And this will be the title of your page, okay? And we'll talk about the website SEO down here. All you got to do, guys, is put in some text. So I'll put blender number 1. Now, obviously, you're going to create a proper article. I recommend 1,000 words plus, but I'm going to put in some text here. I'm going to make this a heading, so heading 2. Then I'm going to write some information. So, hey, this blender is amazing. Obviously, you're going to do a better job than what I'm doing here. Okay, and then I'm going to put a picture, guys, of the blender. So we'll upload one of the pictures that I did from before. Okay, let me just get this uploaded. Upload file. And all you got to do, guys, is do this multiple times. So you have a title, so blender number 1. You have an article section, and then you have an image or an image before that, and then you have a link to your product. So I'm going to put this in here, guys. We'll actually just do 1 for this video because I do want to keep it nice and short. We don't need to like do 2. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I've got this article. Oh, actually, I messed it up. Let me just do that a bit better before we continue on. Okay, so I've got this picture in here, guys. Now at the bottom, I'm going to put click here to buy product. Now, all you need to do, now I'm going to actually go back to AliExpress and link to one of these ones, but you want to link to one in your store, okay? Don't link to AliExpress. I'm going to copy this, guys. I'm going to click on here and highlight this, and I'm going to go to anchor text, so insert link. This is called a hyperlink, anchor link, and then I'm going to click save, okay? And I'm going to preview this real quick, and you'll see what I've done, okay? So preview. Let's see what it looks like. It'll probably look like garbage, but hey, we're just doing an example. So 2 best portable blenders, it should say blenders for 2019 to buy. Hey, this blender is amazing. And then when they click down here, guys, it'll go to my product. So you're going to want to do quite a lot of these, like best blender, top best blenders. But essentially what you're doing is you're writing a review about your own products and linking back to those products so people buy. The review is designed to get people to the actual article, and then you persuade them into clicking the link and purchasing a blender from you from your store. That's what we're doing here, okay? So that's exactly how you do it, guys. Now down here at the bottom, you'll see edit website SEO. This is actually this section here, the title and the description, okay? You can leave that if you like. It will automatically extract content from your article, but it is best to change this and just edit it so it's more appealing, maybe a little bit clickbaity or whatever, to get people to click on your stuff. The more people that click on your stuff, guys, out of everybody else, the higher you come up in the rankings. That is a big ranking factor now. It's called click-through rate. So once you've set that up, guys, that's it. You go and you wait. It's a long-term thing, guys. You're not going to get traffic straight away. It could take a couple of months, a few months to start getting some traffic. But the more authority you send to your site, the more traffic you're going to get. And this traffic can last for years. So let's just do a diagram of what I talked about. So there is billions of searches, guys, every single day online. Let's go back and have a look. billions. Look at this. This is going up like crazy. It's crazy. And the best thing is it's high converting traffic. So what we're doing is we're taking those people, we're funneling them into a blog article where we've listed our best blenders, or maybe you do a review on one big review on a blender, but it has to be a lot of words, guys. And then what we do is we link to our product pages of those products, and people go through and click. So you can do a button or a link or whatever you like. You just want to replicate stores like this. See, we've got the title, we've got some information, we've got a picture, and we've got a link to our product page. Now, there's two reasons why you want to do all of this. First of all, is the traffic, to funnel traffic. But second, guys, we're funneling link juice. So eventually you're going to want to build what we call backlinks, or you can pay someone to do that if you like. Although it's a free traffic method, you might have to pay someone, or you can build them yourself. Just go into Google, go into my YouTube channel, you search how to build backlinks. The backlinks get sent to the article as well, and then the link juice goes through to the product pages, and it creates authority for your site. The stronger your site becomes, the more Google loves it, and the higher it ranks you in the search results. And to finish this off, guys, we have what I call the rules. Rule number one, you must create amazing content, hands down. If you're not willing to do that, don't bother trying, but you have to create amazing content. The best way to do that is to go and put your keywords into Google, and you can go and use the free Google keyword planner to find ideas and see what everybody else is doing and create content that is similar or better than theirs, okay? That's simple, that's how to do that. Keep posting articles to become an authority. The more you post, the bigger your website spider web gets, and the more people that link back to you, and the more informative your posts are, the more people that link back to you. So keep creating good content. I have a full team of writers that write on my blogs and my stores every single day. I spend a lot of money on articles, but it brings in a lot of free traffic for me, so it's worth it. And then slowly start building up backlinks, guys, because that's going to also build up authority, but there's no rush on doing that. Just worry about getting out good content. And to be honest, if the keyword is easy enough, you will rank on the top page with just good content. It happens all the time. All right, guys, that's it for the video. And remember to drop a like below, hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. If you have any questions, let me know below, because I'm online for the next 24 hours replying to every single question. And click the link on the screen, guys, and you'll be taken to my free dropshipping playlist that shows you how to start your own dropshipping business. And I'll see you in the next video.